What is the value of a buyer agent? Is it showing homes and being Uber and driving the clients around? Let's go ahead and unpack that through a recent study that 1000 Watts just performed. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38. And today's topic is, what does a buyer agent do? Well, it's interesting. In the past 20 years, Zillow's birth, then come Redfin, then we have all these sites where you can actually go and find your home. So we always tell our buyers, in finding a home, this is going to be a combined effort. So what is the main concern that today's buyer has? Well, on the very top is, I don't want to screw this up. I actually don't want to buy a home and live in regret. Please help me make the right decision, as I do not want to buy a money pit or everything else in between. So as I always tell our buyers, use the real estate agent for the experience that we have. Ask your agent, are you a homeowner? Because they would understand what homeownership is all about. Yes, I am absolutely a homeowner. I've moved 3 times because my family grew. I can guide you through that process. So when you're selecting a real estate agent, do actually rely heavily on them for their experience to identify the issues in the house. Is this the right neighborhood? What are the ordinances in the city? Can I rent it in the future? See, all these questions should be answered before you make an offer versus, I found the listing on the MLS or Redfin or Zillow. I just need you to put the offer for me. That's no longer the case or only thing that buyers actually rely on, because it's really, you're going to see it on Redfin before we see it because you're constantly scrolling on that phone. So use our experience for us not to actually make the wrong decision when you're buying your home. Feel free to reach out. Let us guide you. 408-515-1613. Bye-bye for now.